What's up, Portland property people? It is Zach Whelans with the Real Property Team coming at you with a market report. It is September 1st. The kids are going back to school. It is officially kind of ending of summer. And we are seeing definitely a course correction, a market correction in the housing market here in Portland and of course in other areas. What does that mean? It means that housing prices are actually still up. So we are seeing prices still around that $625,000 median list price. Throughout the month of August, it actually went up, but we did see inventory continue to go down, and we do see it still ticking towards a little bit more of a buyer's market. So that to me is just an indication of a kind of a market correction. So you don't see as many houses for sale. You don't see as many people buying, so things are kind of staying on the market a little bit longer, but prices still remain high because inventory is low. So what does that mean? Well, Portland is still a desirable market. So when something really decent comes on the market, it does still go over asking, and it does go pretty quickly. But there are some finds that you can get. So the best thing to do is contact us. Leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of area of Portland you'd like to know a little bit more about. Let me know any questions you have about the Portland housing market, any questions about particular houses that you've seen for sale. You can leave a comment below, you can text, you can call, visit our website. I'll leave all those links below. And of course, give it a thumbs up. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss the next one once we get to October. Who knows what it's going to be like. But I can tell you it was a really fun summer, lots of fun activity going on, and it's actually a good thing to see this market correction. So as agents, we've got to just adjust to things, slowing down a little bit, but that doesn't necessarily mean that people are not going to stop selling or buying homes. So this is Zach Whelans with the Real Property Team in Portland, Maine, and until October, have a great September. We'll see you soon.